Breadth first finds the path with the fewest hops. But what if the edges carry weights, distances, costs, time? Then fewest hops is no longer the fastest. We need something smarter. We need Dijkstra. So picture a map of cities, connected by roads of all different lengths. And we want the shortest possible drive, from home to every other city. Dijkstra keeps a running best distance to every city. They all start at infinity, except home, which starts at zero. And then it works greedily. It always visits the closest unvisited city next. And from there, it relaxes its roads. Checking for each neighbor, is the path through me shorter than your current best? If it is, update it. And here is the engine that makes the whole thing fast. To always grab the closest city next, it uses a min heap, the very priority queue we built earlier. So the heap and shortest paths were connected all along. Once a city has been visited, its distance is final, settled, never to be beaten. And the frontier expands outward, like ripples on a pond, until every city has its shortest distance locked in. Dijkstra is running in your map app right now. Every single time it routes you around traffic. One greedy rule, one heap, and the whole world's shortest paths just fall out.